रास्ते कहाँ खत्म होते हैं जिंदगी के सफर में। मंजिल तो वहां है जहां ख्वाहिशें थम जाएं। ख्वाहिशें तो मौत के साथ ही खत्म होती हैं। फिर इन जिंदा किसानों की ख्वाहिशें तो क्या, इन्हें इनके हक से भी महरूम किया जा रहा है। आखिर क्यों? With lot of apprehension and excitement, I reached the Singhu border to see how a Kisan looks like. Is he a terrorist? Is he an anti-national element? आखिर है क्या वो? Even in this chaos, discomfort, and inconvenience, the invoking of the Almighty and expressing Him gratitude is not forgotten. How many of us can smile our way through discomfort, trouble, pain, and unpredictability? These farmers do. Yes, they do while serving the food. The warmth, the exuberance of hospitality is the icing on the cake. It is pitch dark here, and the light which you are seeing is emitting from a tractor. There is a famous saying which says, "You cannot pour from an empty cup." Although they are struggling to fill their own cup, yet service of self comes last, always and every time. आपका क्या नाम है?
दलवीर सिंह।
दिल ना उम्मीद तो नहीं, नाकाम ही तो है। लंबी है गम की शाम, मगर शाम ही तो है। Only the wearer knows where the shoe pinches. The farmer has been tilling the land for generations, hence he alone knows the nuances and the know-how of his job, his troubles, his difficulties and his challenges.
कोई खंडे तिखे कोई कृपान करूगा, कोई खंडे तिखे कोई कृपान करूगा। मैनू दिल्लीए इकट्ठ परेशान करूगा, तेरा फायदे नालों ज्यादा नुकसान करूगा। पर फसलां दे फैसले किसान करूगा, फसलां दे फैसले किसान करूगा।
In the Mahabharata, when the Yaksha asks Yudhishthir, "What is the greatest wonder of all?" Yudhishthir replies, "Every day we see countless creatures dying, yet those who remain behind believe themselves to be immortal. What can be more wonderful than this? We believe that what happens to others will not happen to us." There is neither east nor west, border nor breed nor birth, when two strong men stand face to face, even though they come from the ends of the earth.
देह शिवा बर मोहे है, शुभ कर मन ते कबहू न टरो। देह शिवा बर मोहे है, शुभ कर मन ते कबहू न टरो।
Why should we sympathize with the farmers? We all get annual leave, casual leave, sick leave, public holiday, maternity and paternity leave. But the farmers, they work round the clock, in all seasons and under all circumstances. How many of us can leave our home and hearth, fight the biting cold, the lashing winds, the torrential downpour, and still sit patiently just to ask for something that is rightfully ours? How many times unseasonal rains and animals damage their crops and they starve to the brink of death? What most we can do is to give them moral support and contribute in whatever little way we can. And for the honorable critics, would they like to exchange places with them for pizzas and badams? Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. If food is for the body, knowledge is for the mind, and Kirtan is for the soul, then this protest caters to all. Please note that a township which takes decades to come, these so-called terrorists have accomplished in less than 2 months. It is the rarest protest, an epitome of tolerance, patience, generosity, charity, humility, and philanthropy of the highest order. Sir, you have been chosen as the head, the sovereign of the country, and you chose to sleep cozily when your children, your subjects, were fighting the atrocities of the weather, dying in anguish and frustration. You did not even come once to talk, leave aside mourn. You are an ardent devotee of Raja Ram. Did you know how devoted a king was Rama, who could stake everything for his subjects? Is there no value of a life in your eyes?